Are you tired of struggling to make ends meet, looking for a quick and easy way to earn some extra cash? Well, before you fall for the allure of free money on cash apps, there's something you need to know. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to uncover the truth behind the enticing offers of free money on cash apps. It's time to separate fact from fiction and protect ourselves from falling victim to financial scams. You've likely seen the ads promising you hundreds or even thousands of dollars just for signing up or referring friends to a cash app. But let me tell you, folks, these promises are nothing more than bait for unsuspecting prey. Many fall for the illusion of free money, only to realize they've been duped. These scams often involve complex schemes designed to steal your personal information or extort money from you in exchange for false promises. From phishing scams to pyramid schemes, the tactics used by fraudsters are cunning and relentless. They prey on our desire for quick wealth, exploiting vulnerabilities for their own gain. The promise of free money on cash apps is almost always a scam. Here's how they work and why you should avoid common tactics. Scammers might send a small amount of money to your cash app account to gain your trust. Later, they'll claim it was an error and ask you to return it, often with a much larger processing fee attached, ultimately stealing your money. Scammers use fake accounts with similar handles to Cash App or Mimic. They claim you've won, but need to send a verification fee or personal information to claim the prize. Remember, real giveaways never require upfront payments. Scammers promise to multiply your money quickly if you send them a seed amount. This is never true, and you'll lose your initial investment. Scammers prefer gift cards because they're untraceable. They might claim you need to buy a gift card to unlock your free money or pay a fee, but gift cards should never be used for anything related to Cash App transactions. Red flags to watch out for: frees that seem too good to be true. Free money rarely comes without strings attached. Be wary of unrealistic promises. Scammers often try to create a sense of urgency to rush you into making a decision before you think critically. Requests for personal information or upfront fees. Always check for the blue check mark indicating a verified Cash App account before interacting. Remember, Cash App will never ask you for money to claim prizes. Verify your account or access your funds. If something sounds suspicious, it probably is. Don't be afraid to report suspicious activity to Cash App. There are no shortcuts to getting rich. Stick to legitimate ways to earn money. By understanding these tactics and red flags, you can protect yourself from falling victim to these scams and keep your hard-earned money safe. Thank you for joining us today as we expose the truth behind free money on cash apps. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help spread awareness and protect others from falling victim to these scams. Stay smart, stay safe, and remember, when it comes to your finances, knowledge is your best defense. Until next time, take care and be vigilant.